When we talk about Vietnamese banh mi, most people think of the famous street food with its crispy crust and delicious filling. But have you ever heard of steamed bread? Banh mi hub. Today I'm gonna show you how to make it.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. Welcome back to Daily Bite with Anwar. Today I'll be making a unique Vietnamese dish that you won't often find in Vietnamese restaurants. It is special, delicious and healthy, especially when you eat it with fresh vegetable. It's called steamed bread banh mi with beef. Let's make it together.
2 banh mi baguette, 150 gram of ground beef, 1/4 cassava root like this size, 1 small size white onion, 3 tablespoons of onion finely chopped, 3 tablespoons of shallot. If you have ready fresh shallot, you can use it. 1 teaspoon of chopped garlic. Fresh vegetable. Here I have lettuce, basil, mint leaf, and fish meat. Roasted peanut optional. Dice this cassava root to small cubes, like this. Then we also diced white onion to small cubes. Now heat up the pan and put the oil. Once it's boiled, we put the shallot and fry them until golden and fragrant. Due to lack of time, I couldn't dry the shallot. So now when I fry them, they won't turn out as golden and crispy as in the picture. These are the fried shallot I made previously and have already used up. If you have time, you can make crispy fried shallot by drying them in the sun until they are dry or putting them in the air fryer at 120 degrees for 5 to 7 minutes and then frying them until golden and crispy. The result will be super crispy and delicious. When it's golden like this, take out the shallot. Then we use the hot boiling leftover oil pour into the green onion with half teaspoon of seasoning powder. This will help to keep the green color of the onion. Then we heat up the pan with oil and put garlic. When it's golden and fragrant, put cassava root and white onion. Cook until it turns brown and soft. Once it's brown and soft, we put our ground meat in. Stir until it cooks. Do you know? The story behind Vietnam steamed bread is as simple as the dish itself. It's said that in the old days, when there's still war, people were given bread, but eating plain bread could be dry and boring. Or sometimes when they cannot finish the bread and don't want to waste the old hard bread, so they thought of steaming it and adding minced meat, cassava root, and scallion oil on top to make it more appealing and easy to eat. Over time, this evolved into beloved, easy to make dish. Now we add a little bit of seasoning powder to make it tastier. For the bread, we cut it like this size. Now let's make our sweet and sour fish sauce. We put 4 tablespoons of hot or warm water, 3 tablespoons of sugar. Stir it until the sugar is dissolved. Then we put 2 tablespoons of lemon juice and 3 tablespoons of fish sauce. Finally, we put 1 tablespoon of garlic and chopped chilli. How much will depend on your level of spicy. And there we have a very nice and balanced taste of Vietnamese fish sauce. This sauce you can use to eat with other Vietnamese dishes such as spring roll, broken rice or steamed thin rice pancake. Now let's steam the bread. Dip them in the water and steam them. For this dish, it is nicer to use the old bread because it will bring more chewy texture. So it will be better if you buy the bread one day before cooking. We will steam them around 2 minutes until it becomes soft and fluffy like this. Now let's do the filling for our banh mi. Firstly, we will spread the scallion oil on the bread. Then we will put the filling of meat and cassava root on the top of the bread. After that, we can put our dry shallot. And finally, we put our roasted peanut on top. It will give us a crunchy texture. And there you have it, our homemade Vietnamese steamed bread banh mi with meat. Serve it hot with veggie wrap dipped into sweet and sour fish sauce and enjoy all those delicious flavors.
And there you have it, Vietnamese style steamed bread banh mi with beef. Let's give it a try. We take one veggie. It's okay, just take it, put it here. We take one leaf and you wrap it so it will not spill too much. Now we dip it in our fish sauce. Dip it like this. Bismillah. Bismillah. It's very delicious. The texture of the bread is very soft since we steam it, and the meat and everything goes well together with this fish sauce and veggie. Very nice. You should try this at home. Very delicious. Trust me. Delicious. Ngon quá. Alright guys, thank you for cooking with me today. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe so you won't miss out any new recipe. If you have any comment or feedback or you want me to cook something specific, just leave a comment below. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.